Apple releases 5th beta. watchOS 26, tvOS 26, visionOS 26. New features hands-on. In a bold move, Apple has just released the 5th developer betas for watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and visionOS 26. But here's where it gets controversial. These updates are packed with new features that could change how we interact with our devices. Are you ready for the future? watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 are getting a fresh new look with the liquid glass design inspired by visionOS. It's like having a piece of the future right on your wrist or in your living room. watchOS is taking fitness to the next level with an AI-powered workout buddy that motivates you to keep moving. And the Smart Stack is getting smarter, using more personal context to give you better suggestions. Plus, there's a new Notes app and live translation support. tvOS 26 is turning your living room into a karaoke party. Just use your iPhone as the microphone and sing your heart out. It also has improvements for using AirPlay speakers with your TV, new aerial screensavers, and faster logins to apps with Apple account syncing. visionOS 26 is bringing your digital world to life with spatial widgets that you can place anywhere around you. Your personas are getting a makeover to look more lifelike, and now 2 Vision Pro users can share spatial experiences together. But here's the catch. The visionOS 26 beta is only for developers. If you're not a developer, you'll have to wait until the fall to get your hands on these updates. Do you think that's fair? Let us know in the comments. And this is the part most people miss. These updates are more than just new features. They're a glimpse into the future of technology and how we'll interact with our devices. Are you excited for what's to come? Or do you think Apple is going too far? We want to hear your thoughts. Apple Watch's new wrist flick feature, a game changer for notifications. Introducing a game changer for Apple Watch users. Say goodbye to the constant annoyance of managing calls and notifications. With the latest watchOS 26 update, Apple has rolled out a brilliant new feature called Wrist Flick. This handy addition allows you to dismiss notifications with a simple flick of your wrist. No need to touch your watch screen. Available on the Apple Watch 9, 10, and Ultra 2 models. Wrist Flick isn't just about clearing notifications. It's a versatile gesture that lets you handle incoming calls, silence alarms, stop timers, and watchOS 26 Beta 5 update. What's new and exciting for Apple Watch users? A countdown begins. Apple Watch's watchOS 26 Beta 5 is here, but will it revolutionize your wrist experience? As August unfolds, Apple is gearing up for a slew of new software releases, and today, developers get first dibs on the latest watchOS 26 Beta 5 for Apple Watch. While the general public waits with bated breath, expecting a public beta rollout within the next 48 hours, we dive into what this update might hold. Right on schedule. But what's next? watchOS 26 Beta 5's timely arrival aligns with Apple's traditional release cadence. With the public launch merely a month away, anticipate a shift to a weekly update rhythm, fine-tuning the software for its grand debut. A sneak peek into watchOS 26's exciting features. For those who've been exploring the watchOS 26 beta, some standout highlights include Wrist Flick, a game-changer for navigation. Workout Buddy, your new fitness companion. Watch face hints, subtle yet powerful. Improved smart replies. Smarter than ever. The Notes app, jot down thoughts on the go. Liquid glass design, aesthetic appeal redefined. Beta 5, the pivotal point for significant changes. Typically, Beta 5 marks the point where Apple refines its most noteworthy features before prioritizing stability. So far, the watchOS 26 beta cycle has seen substantial overhauls in the workout design and nuanced UI tweaks to liquid glass. Whatever form these elements take in Beta 5, it's likely a close preview of the final product. Your turn. Have you dived into watchOS 26 Beta 5? Share your discoveries and thoughts with us in the comments below. Do you think these updates will significantly enhance your Apple Watch experience? We'd love to hear your predictions and opinions. Enhance your Apple Watch experience with these deals. Apple Watch Series 10 46mm. Now $329, down from $429. https amzn.to. Anchor portable USB-C charger, perfect for your Apple Watch. https amzn.to. AirPods Pro 2. Grab them now for $169 down from $249. https amzn.to. 3BA2NOV. 20-watt USB-C charging brick. Fast charge your way. https amzn.to. 4DEC3TP. Fort Retro Max stand for Apple Watch nightstand mode. A nostalgic touch. https amzn.to. 3NJTXQV. Stay ahead with 9 to 5 Mac. Add us to your Google News feed for the latest tech updates. https news.google.com. Publications CAAQBGG, LOFATD, HLX, IGAO-US-EN. Transparency note. We utilize income-earning auto affiliate links. Learn more about our policy. https 9to5mac.com. About/affiliate.